In cooking. Today we are making the ultimate roast beef sandwich. Got the Cuisinart Twin Oaks fired up. We're going to go ahead and get this eye around roast cleaned up and seasoned up, and we're going to go ahead and get it on the grill. And we're going to make a roast beef sandwich like you've never seen before. Okay, to clean this up, you want to go ahead and move this silver skin. You want a nice sharp boning knife. So you just want to get underneath the skin here and go ahead and remove all this silver skin. Okay, once you have that silver skin removed, you want to flip it over. Just check the other side. You just want to remove any loose fat. That looks pretty good to me. Now we're going to go ahead and make our rub. I'm going to put in some minced garlic. I'll go about 2 tablespoons. Some rosemary. About 1 teaspoon. This doesn't have to be exact. Now, I like the 4 River Brisket rub. Now, you can make this as easy or as difficult as you like. I like to keep things simple. I like the 4 brisket rub because it's got big chunks. And then some extra virgin olive oil. Just a little bit to bind everything together and help it stick to the eye round roast. Then you're going to go mix this all up. You want to make like a paste. Get that all mixed up. All right. All right, then you want to take your eye round roast, put it in the pan. Take your rub, scoop some of that on there. You want to rub that in all over. Pat it in good. Put some on the other side. Soak all that in. All right, get everything nice and coated. And next time we see you, we'll be outside getting this baby on the pellet grill. So our Twin Oaks has reached temperature. We're at 250 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put our eye around roast on the Twin Oaks. We're using lumberjack hickory pellets today. So we're going to go ahead and set the eye around roast on the pellet smoker. We're going to insert our probe. We're looking for 125 degrees internal temperature. So we have our probe inserted, and we're going to cook this to 125 degrees on the Inkbird. Okay, we're back. We have reached our internal temperature. We're going to go ahead and pull our eye round roast off the grill. We're going to move our Inkbird probe. We'll set that aside. Look at that color. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're going to go ahead and bring that inside. We're going to let that rest for about 30 minutes. While that's resting, we're going to go ahead and get our accompaniments for that ready. And we're going to go ahead and make our sandwich. We'll see you inside. We're going to go ahead and wrap this up in foil, and we're going to let it rest for 30 minutes. To this, we're going to add some French fries. Got the fries going in. These are going to be part of our sandwich. Another pan heating up on medium heat. We're going to go ahead and throw some onions in there. Our French fries are done. We're going to go ahead and remove those. Put them on a paper towel. Whenever you take those off, you want to salt them right away. We're going to set those aside. So we got our onions starting to break down and caramelize. We're going to set those aside, and we're going to start making our cheese sauce for the topping. Okay, now we're going to make our cheese sauce. Now this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And we're going to slice into this. Now you want to save this juice, so just set this foil aside. Keep this juice for later. So you want to slice this nice and thin since you're using it for sandwiches. So you want to get nice and thin slices. You can see it's nice and rare. That's what you want in a roast beef. So get nice and thin slices. Now it's time to assemble our sandwich. I got a sesame seed hoagie roll here. that I sliced open. We're going to go ahead and load this up. So we got our thin sliced eye around roast beef. We're going to pile that up. We'll pack that in there on our sandwich. We'll go ahead and put some onions in there. Got our sauteed onions. Put our French fries on top. And we're going to fill that up with our cheese sauce.